Community of Sant'Egidio, an Italian humanitarian organization, in collaboration with the Consulate General of Italy in Karachi, went to Sanghar on 3rd April 2023 with 100 waterproof tents, mosquito nets, plastic sheets for rainy season, bags of ration, school bags with first and second class books, copies, coloring books, color pencils, erasers, geometry boxes, and shoes for flood-affected people. There are Muslims, Christian, and Hindu families who got affected due to floods. People of Sanghar thank the community of Sant'Egidio and the Consulate General of Italy in Karachi for their support and assistance.